Now next let us check. Today we are going to understand the financial statement version. T code is OB58. So in SAP there is no standard T code is available to pull the profit and loss statement and balance it. There are many T code to pull the trial balance, but we don't have T code to pull the profit and loss statement and balance it. So profit and loss statement or balance sheet, you have to design your own. Either you want in the tree format or you want in the T format. Okay, T and tree format, you know, right? T and tree format. So see, T format means this is the T format. Say for particular amount. This is for the P&L. So all your expense you will record this side, all your revenue will record this side. This is called T format. Is it clear? At last you'll get calculate either it is net profit or net loss. Is it clear, right? T format. Hello.
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the T format. Now what is called tree format? Tree format means first you'll sales you'll put top, from sales you'll reduce the variable cost, then you'll get gross margin or contribution margin, you say. Then you reduce the fixed cost. So this one you put. Then you reduce fixed cost. Okay, and then you get EBIT, earning. What is that? Earning before tax, earning before no, earning before interest. Like this you'll get. Then you reduce again interest. Something in college time you have studied. You have to discuss with the business how they want tree format. Interest. Then you'll get earning before tax, EBT. You less tax. Then you get net profit after tax. So this is what called tree format. Okay, this is known as a tree format. In this way also you can prepare your P&L statement. Okay, so you have to decide, you have to design how you want to design. So while designing, you have to use the financial statement version. So financial statement version will give you the financial statement in tree format only. I cannot have in the T format. T format means particular amount I can't have. Our liabilities in the left side and asset in the right side. That kind of balance sheet I can't have from the financial statement version. Financial statement version will only give you tree format. Tree format means like this. Okay, let's see balance sheet tree format means, see T format balance sheet will be T format first. It will be liability this side, amount this side, asset this side, and amount this side, right? This is how we prepare balance sheet, correct? Correct, guys? Hello? Yes,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
But this you cannot handle from the financial statement version. Financial statement version will give you tree format. Tree format means you have to tell like balance sheet. Under the balance sheet, you have to create asset, then liabilities. Under the asset, again, if you want further bifurcated, let's say current asset, fixed asset. If you want further bifurcation under each, then let's say in current asset, you want how much AR, how much cash balance, and so on. So it will give you this format, tree format. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yeah.
You can get only tree format. It will not give you the T format. Okay, so you can create balance sheet. Under the balance sheet, you can create asset. Then you can create liabilities. Under the asset, you can create current asset and fixed asset. Under the current asset, you can create all those current asset, whatever you have. Under the fixed asset, all you can create. Let's say land, building, furniture. If you want to go further, let's say in building, you want further one more. Let's say create a land, building, furniture. And in building, you want to know how much residential building, how much commercial building. So that you can prepare in the tree format. So this tree format capability is with the financial statement version. Is it clear what is called T format and what is called tree format? Is it clear first of all? Hello guys, is
Okay.
it clear?
Yeah, yes,
Sir,
sir.
Now, so tree format you got to know. Now let's say business is telling that no, I need T format. I need my old way only of preparing the profit and loss statement and balance sheet. Then there are many tools these days available. You can use. You can use BW. You can use SAC. You can use AFO. You can use Hyperion. You can use Workiva. There are a lot of third-party tools are available. Okay, with the help of them, in whichever format you want to use, you can use and prepare it. Okay, but if you want to use financial statement version, then you must remember that it will give you in the tree format. If you go here, let's see. So this is how you have to design. See, somebody had designed like balance sheet, asset, liabilities, then under the asset, fixed asset, then under the fixed asset, property, intangible, investment, other. Okay, properties is further bifurcated like gross properties, then depreciation is reducing. Okay, these are the then at last moment he's mapping the all the property related GL. So this is known as a T format. So when you run the report, it will give you the T format result. Similarly, profit. See, profit, expenses, revenue, and result. In the expenses is mapping cost of goods sold, is mapping GL, mapping. So is it clear what is called T format first of all? Sorry, T format. Hmm? Hello.
yes, sir.
Okay. If you are clear with this tree format, now if you want tree format, then you have to use the financial statement version. If you want in the T format, then as I said, you can use either BW, you can use SAC, okay, SAP Analytics Cloud, you can use AFO, analysis for Office, okay, you can use Hyperion, HFM, you can use Workiva. There are many tools are there these days in the market. So yeah, you can use all these tools. Okay. It doesn't mean that you can't do in SAP. In SAP, also if you want custom, I mean T format, then you can create your own custom report you can create. But if you don't want to create in SAP itself, then these are the tool. In this tool, in whichever format, in whichever way you want, you can handle it. But if you want tree format, financial statement, then you can use the financial statement version. Okay, now if you are clear with the tree and T format, then I'm going to teach now financial statement version. Is it clear everyone? So tomorrow If business is telling no, I want in this format, then you should not accept that financial statement version will meet that requirement. That is my intention. What is gap, what is fit to gap, what is fit to standard, you need to understand during the requirement gathering time. Is it clear, everyone? Hello, you got it right? If they are
Yes,
telling
sir.
I need in this format, then you have to tell we have to go for custom, we have to go for development. It's not possible by standard. So you have to ask them, are you using any tool, this tool? If they are telling none of the tool we are using, then you have to tell you have to develop this then. So for financial statement version, there is one CDS view. Okay, you can discuss with your ABAPer. He can use this CDS view to develop the financial statement based on the business need. Okay, so now let me write here. So financial statement version will provide tree format, P&L and balance sheet. Okay. So for every chart of account, you can prepare the financial statement version. If you have operating chart of account, you can create a separate financial statement version. Sorry. If you have group chart of account, you can create separate financial statement version. If you have operating chart of account, sorry, country specific chart of account, you can create separate financial statement version. So here for each chart of account, we can create one or more than one. Okay, one or more than one. Let me write now, more than one financial statement version, meaning that if you have one operating chart for first of all, for operating chart of account, you can prepare the financial statement version. For group chart of account, for country also. But for one chart of account, if you want to create two financial statement version, it is also possible. Sometime your business will tell that profit and loss statement I want to prepare. See here, if you check here, see somebody what he has done. He has prepared profit and loss statement under this name and balance sheet also under this name. But you can create multiple financial statement version for single chart of account. And sometimes business will tell that profit and loss I need separately and balance sheet I need separately. Okay, meaning that right now under one version you have created both. So this they need one financial statement version for balance sheet only, another for the profit and loss statement only. So that is also possible. Why I am highlighting all this blah blah, because in business time when they raise the question, you should have that answer. Okay, you should have the answer. 365-degree answer should be in your mind. Otherwise you will tell I will test and get back to you. That is also genuine answer, not a problem. If you are not sure of something, you can tell I have not tested, I will check and get back to you. So you have to understand, because when 99% people are following same, but since I have worked on multiple clients, I know how they want. So if they want profit and loss statement separately, balance sheet separately, you can create. Or for same chart of account, you can create multiple financial statement version. Okay, for different design you can prepare it. So that is one thing you have to remember. Okay, so that's the reason I written for each chart of account we can create more than one financial statement version. Okay, yesterday if you remember, I taught you functional area cost of sales accounting concept. So I told that the functional area why they want profit and loss statement, you have to use the functional area. So that functional area wise also financial statement you can prepare here. See here, functional area wise. So from here only you have to prepare. So let me write here functional area we can prepare financial statement, P&L statement, P&L statement for functional area. See, see here, for operating chart of account, one I'm preparing for normal P&L and balance sheet. Same operating chart of account I'm using and I'm preparing for the functional area. Okay, that's the reason I told here. For every chart of account, you can create more than one financial statement. Now here is one limitation, okay, in SAP. If I want to prepare the P&L statement by functional area, then inside when I create, I cannot assign the GL. I have to assign the functional area. But many a time business will tell, listen here very carefully, why you have to go for custom development. Limitation, let me write here, limitation of FSB. Limitation of FSB. We can't assign functional area and GL together. If you are using functional area concept, then while assigning in the financial statement at lower level, here see, if you are assigning here, if in case if you have chosen the functional area, right now you have not chosen the functional area, so you are able to assign here GL. But if you use the functional area, you have to assign the functional area. Both functional area and GL you cannot assign in the financial statement, in the single financial statement person. But many a time business will tell that I want to show here functional GL and here I want to show functional area also. So for which GL what functional area I have assigned, I want to give functional area plus GL, both together I want to give. So that kind of requirement they will demand in the market. GL plus functional area, both they want to assign. Okay, which is not possible in standard FSB. So you have to go for custom development. Very easy. See, everybody knows financial statement version. How depth you know, that is important. Is it clear, everyone? So let's say if you assign the sales GL, sales revenue GL, from this to this, let's say this is the sales revenue GL. But in the sales revenue GL, you have assigned some functional area. Yesterday, you remember, we have created like functional area this. So I can't assign GL plus functional area in the FSB. Both I can't assign together. But business is telling that no, I need both. While running, I may run based on GL, I may run based on functional area. I need both together. So if business has such requirement, then you have to go for custom development. Because GL and functional area both he can't assign. Okay. So this is one limitation first. Second limitation is that while running the financial statement version, you can run based on profit center here. Okay, see here. That day also I have told you. So here in selection parameter, these are the option you have. You can based on this you can run. You can run segment, you can run functional area, you can run based on profit center, you can run based on currency. These are the options SAP has given to run based. This is the selection parameter. But here nothing given profit center group. Profit center group. If you remember, I told profit center hierarchy I have taught you, right? Mobile, laptop, under the mobile you have created like fabricated, non-fabricated mobile. So they don't want to run at the below level, at profit center level. They want to learn in the, they want to run the financial statement at the PSL level, that is profit product and service line level, means little hierarchy level, which this FSB is not capable. This FSB is not capable to run the report at profit center group level. But many businesses, they want to run the report based on profit center group, because they are not much interested to know its very normal individual PC level, rather than they want to run at the little group level. Okay, let's say when management is running the report, for them PC level is not that much means mandatory. They want to run at group level, how laptop is performing. They don't want to know much how my personal laptop or business laptop is performing. They may be interested, I'm not really interested, but if they want to run at the PC group level, then this financial statement version doesn't have that capability. So you have to do the development. You have to do the custom development. Either do the custom development or you add additional field here. You have to do the exit. Field enhancement you can do. Nobody does it. They go for custom. In the FIORI also same it is there. In FIORI also you can copy the FIORI app. You can create your own FIORI app with additional field. Okay. So if this kind of requirement are there, then it is not possible. So we can't run report based on PC group level. Is it clear first of all? Hello? Is it clear? These are the clear point. Hello? Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right? Now, if you are clear with this one, now let us design our financial statement version. Okay, so we have P&L and we have balance sheet. Now, while designing the P&L and balance sheet, SAP has given here some fields. Okay, so there are two ways businesses are following. Let me teach directly here. So in P&L, revenue minus expenses. Okay, and here let's say asset minus liabilities. Very carefully here, something I'm trying to teach you. Okay, so sometime what we do, listen very carefully. These are the business design. That's the reason I'm telling. Designing is very, very important. Configuration is very, very important. Everything is configuration. Remaining thing is a story. I'm just opposite of all the trainer, but I know because I have worked in more in implementation projects. So I'll always focus on configuration, because configuration is everything that I personally feel. Okay, so listen very carefully. If your design goes wrong, everything goes wrong. Now here, while designing, let's say I'm mapping all my P&L GL here and all my balance sheet GL here. Okay, so I have two options. One option, whatever differences I'm getting between P&L statement, that I can move in the balance sheet. That is one way I can do. Sometime I don't want to move. So how it means that if I'm not moving P&L differences here, then my balance should not map, right? If I'm profit or loss, I'm not moving in the balance, and then it will not match, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
It will not match, right? It will not match, right?
Yeah.
So whatever differences you'll get here, same differences will be here also, correct? Correct, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, if let's say if 1,000 rupees you got profit, if 1,000 rupees you are not moving here, then 1,000 rupees will be different, right? Between asset and liabilities, correct?
Correct.
So sometimes businesses will not move this profit and loss statement. Then how they will analyze what is the profit and loss they have got? So they will check the difference. If P&L differences and balance sheet differences both are having same, then it means that their financial statement is okay. So this is the one approach. This approach they'll follow. Okay, they will follow this approach and they'll get to know difference between in P&L whatever balances it is showing, that is their P&L, that is their profit or loss. If it is in minus, it is generally profit. If it is in positive, it is generally loss. Okay, so during that time they will balance what is difference in the P&L should be equal to difference in the balance sheet. It means that their financial statement matching. So many company they follow this approach also. Another approach is that this is the first approach. Second approach they'll follow. Second approach, they'll prepare the P&L. Okay, and they will get either profit or loss. And this profit and loss they'll move in the balance sheet. Balance sheet. It will move in the balance sheet. So in that scenario, you have to make sure that your balance sheet is matching. In that scenario, your liabilities is equal to your asset. Correct? That is what the meaning, right? Correct, guys? Hello? Hello? Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have to maybe you can ask with the business, or you can tell to the business how they want. Many businesses follow this approach also. Okay, many businesses follow this approach also. So you have to discuss with them how they want. If you are not bringing the P&L difference into balance sheet, then the difference between P&L and difference in the balances should be equal. Okay. If second approach you are following, P&L balances you are bringing into the balance sheet, then your liabilities and assets should match. Is it clear? Hello? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am going to teach you both the approaches. Okay, I'll teach you this approach. One I'll create, so for operating chart of account, I'll create this one. For group chart of account, I'll create this one. Okay, so three financial statement I'll create. One for operating chart of account, one for group chart of account, one for functional area wise P&L. Okay, hello, is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us design the balance sheet. First, let us design the balance sheet.